Hi, it's Jason from Fine & Country, and today I'm at another brand new listing, which is Hillcote West. Now we're in the real prestigious part of the outskirts of Bideford on First Raleigh. It's a private road. This property offers 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a lovely big garage, beautiful views as well, and it's brand new. So it's a new home coming to the market very soon. So come on, let's take a look. As you can see, the accommodation on this floor in Hillcote West is really spacious. You've got this wonderful open plan living arrangement which interconnects into multiple spaces. I'm standing in the kitchen area with breakfast bar, fully integrated appliances and quartz worktops. The real standout feature of this property has to be this wonderful veranda. It spreads the whole width of the property across the front and has beautiful far-reaching views. You can just imagine yourself sitting here with a glass of wine or eating your breakfast in beautiful countryside setting. So the property sits on over 1/3 of an acre, so there's lots of outside accommodation with this property as well. You've got some real predefined spaces. You've got the lawn here, you've got a lovely composite decking area that wraps around the back, so great for alfresco dining. You've got a further seating area which takes full advantage of those fantastic views as well, just right on the side of the property. So with this property being just one of one, it really is an exclusive opportunity to purchase a brand new home that will never be repeated over in a very prestigious location in Bideford. If this is of interest to you, give us a call today on 01237 426 018.